Introducing the Weed Whacker 2.0, a great gift for dad and a great way not to keep looking for a gift. So this is a great man gift, the Weed Whacker 2.0. As we unbox it, we see that it does come with everything it needs. It's a great for trimming the hair in the nose and ear and keeping everything nice and smooth and clean up there. Make wifey happy that way too. It comes with a charger and it is long lasting, great quality, and as you can see it in here, it just works wonderfully. You can see that it's sleek, smooth, and a great design. This is where you turn it on and turn it off right here, and then what you do is you will open it from the top to actually remove any of the stray hairs in there, to actually throw them away when you need to clean it, and just leave it aside. Just charge it as you need it, put it on the counter on the side, and then use it when you need. The charger comes on the side here too, where you can actually leave it with you. Great for on the go. Dad will love this. Definitely, highly recommended. Don't miss out.